January 7th, 2011.
Good evening, I'm Cynthia McFadden. We begin tonight with an environmental mystery. Hundreds of turtle doves turned up dead in the parks and streets of a town in northern Italy today. And scientists don't know what killed them. Maybe not news that would normally cross the globe, except that this is at least the sixth bizarre incident of its kind in the first week of the new year. And that's not to mention all the dead crabs and fish. So what's going on? Nick Watt has our report.
This is the core in which dead birds signal impending global doom.
It's okay, son. These things happen all the time.
And this is Flash Forward. The birds were a portent of a 2-minute, 17-second blackout that was about to strike all humankind. Hang on. Rewind to the BB police chief.
Quoting 2012 prophecies and things like that.
What? Well, the ancient Mayan calendar runs out next year, leading some to believe that the world, therefore, will end too. Also, a Californian finds each other.
It's like running into somebody on your bicycle, the fair amount of speed, no protection.
And the fish in Arkansas? Probably disease. The Chesapeake fish and the English crab.
Thanks, Mike. New at 10, the Portage County Humane Society is investigating the death of 200 cows. The cattle were discovered at a field on 4th Avenue in the town of Stockton. The owner had been working with a veterinarian. It's believed the animals died of a virus that can cause respiratory and reproductive problems. Samples from the dead animals have been sent to Madison for testing. Investigators say there is no threat to people or other animals. Deputies are
now littering a 20-mile section of the Arkansas River near Ozark. Arkansas Game and Fish Commission spokesperson Keith Stevens says an official estimate of how many fish have died is expected on Monday, but tells the Arkansas Democrat-Gazette the number is likely in the hundreds of thousands. Stevens says some of the live fish were sick and will be sent to a lab at the University of Arkansas Pine Bluff for testing.
Well, thousands of fish are dead at the mouth of a shipping channel, as well as a dead whale that was reported in Venice today. The species include crabs, stingrays, eel, drum, speckled trout, and redfish. The video you're about to see is not a gravel road. Those are the dead fish. Plaquemines Parish President Billy Nungesser sent these pictures. He says that there is no testing going on to determine if the fish are dead from the oil spill, although the northern Gulf has suffered a persistent dead zone of low oxygen, blamed on nutrient-rich runoff from the Mississippi River. Nungesser says that this is different because usually the kills happen to only 1 or 2 species of fish.
We're talking about the long-term testing of the quality of the water, the fish, and the environment. And we don't see a collective group really wanting to know what's going on, and we need to demand that happens.
Well, one University of Georgia scientist who found oil at the bottom of the Gulf says that she has not seen any convincing data that connects the oil to the fish kills, but that studies have to be done to determine exactly what's going on.